Every day, we listen to our customers' wishes and transform the challenges into opportunities. We offer innovative solutions. We study the markets and anticipate their requests, sharing the objectives. Trust, respect, and sharing are our engine. Together, we plan for tomorrow. United by passion, we select only the best for our machines. Our partners are a part of us. We do not leave anything to chance. We work every day with care and precision without neglecting any detail. We consider ourselves a large team with trust in each other. As well as our hands, we put in our hearts, and we never stop to always be the best. We share our know-how to train personnel of excellence. We look for talent with our same passion to be able to grow together. We are a team capable of great results. 365 days a year, always at your side, even from afar. Every trip is an adventure, and we are enriched by the experience, always ready to face any obstacle, without boundaries. Trust, passion, respect, and performance. We are Bobst.